to solve IB paper 2024 AAHL P1, in which the question number 1 states that points A and B lie on a circle with center O and radius R. This is the radius R centimeter, where A, O and B is 1.5 radians. This is shown on the following diagram. The area of sector is 48 centimeters square. Find the value of R. Hence, find the perimeter. Now, what we have given? We have given the area, which is equal to 48 centimeters square, and angle theta, which is 1.5 radian. Question number 1, part A, we have to find radius. Now, the formula is to find radius, we use formula area, which is equal to 1 by 2 r square theta. By putting values, area is 48, so equal to 1 by 2 r square 1.5. Rearranging the equation, we get 48 into 2 divided by 1.5. R square is equal to 96. Now 1.5, we remove the decimal, we get 10. This 10 multiplied by 96 is, it's become 960 divided by 15. 960 divided by 15. Let's do some rough work for your clearance. 960, 15. It's 6. 15, 6, 9, 90, 460, and we got the answer. R square is 64, or by taking square root on both sides, R square is equal to 64. This square cancel and R is equal to 8 centimeter. As when we take square root, the answer will come with sign positive and negative. But as the length and radius will always be positive, so the answer is R is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Now, part B. In part B, we have to find perimeter. Perimeter, we have formula P is equal to 2R plus arc length. The arc length formula is R theta. Now, putting values, P is equal to 2 into 8 plus 8 into 1.5. 2 into 16 plus, let's refer, 1.5 into 8. 8 5s are 40 and 20, means it's 12. Now what we get 28. So Final answer is perimeter P is equal to 28 centimeter.